Have you ever wondered what it takes to crash cars for a living? Meet the fearless drivers in the Demolition Derby circuit, where chaos is the order of the day. In this heart-pounding sport, drivers willingly hurl themselves into arena battles, crashing and clashing amid roaring engines and flying debris. Safety is fiercely enforced, yet injuries still loom, demanding quick reflexes and strategic maneuvers. These warriors of metal must remain relentless, as endurance and tenacity are key to surviving the final crunch. Each derby promises new thrills, where the final standing car claims ultimate victory amidst the wreckage.